Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x000001f7. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type WSRESET. Click on OK. Wait for it. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys, but if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the next solution. For that, close out of here and go to search menu and type STORE. Right click on it, Microsoft Store, and select app setting. We just need to scroll down guys, select the reset option, reset it. After finishing this, close out of here and try to download the app. If this also doesn't resolve, let's move on to the final solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type CMD. Opens up command prompt, click run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy with the Ctrl C and paste with the Ctrl V and press enter. So this is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to 100% guys. Wait for it until this get 100%. After finishing the first command 100% complete guys, go and copy the next command in my description, copy it and paste it in here guys, press enter. So this will also take time guys, wait for it guys. This verification also need to get 100%. After finishing this verification done, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys, and after restarting your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.